That shit?
Yeah, I mean, I do this until I find it.
6 years?
I gotta find it.
Well,
it might be on there though. No, I got it.
You are sweet. That's Tennessee whiskey. I love that, boy. You got down on that. You did your fucking thing. I love you, driver. You and Kevin Kelly, his wife, y'all been practicing. Sky ain't gonna answer. We gonna leave her a message. You gonna say something? I'm gonna put you on there. You want to suggest that? Maybe we call 2 good men.
Put some certain calls on the
floor.
Damn, Randall.
Awesome.
What you do?
I'm trying to get this.
What's up? What's my man?
What? I gotta go to the
It just ringing.
With you.
What with you? I did what?
You last $2.
What he done?
How would he?
Crystal.
See you next.
Yeah, right.
Let's call 2
You ain't gonna see one, Chloe?
What's 2 good name?
I don't know about her. Call Woodrow. You got Woodrow number.
I might.
What's one of his last name?
Sergeant, like Sergeant. Woody. I.E.
There he is. At the wood, we're gonna call a girl.
We done this song? Is that just a song?
It says kick it with you lyrics.
We won't do the song with the lyrics. So if she singing, so they'll be singing the song. We don't get the beat.
What you laughing at? Look at that man.
Not just lyrics though.
Let me get right with you. Because I know you're gonna put it on
And
Facebook.
the music.
If it don't come through.
So is that was a different
You
one
ain't
that you
gonna pick
pulled
up.
So that's cool.
Jarrell is Jarrell Deeds with a G. Jarrell Deeds.
Well, you took the song and then
Maybe let's try what's it.
with lyrics. Okay. So it go with
What's her name? Millie.
Chris, you read what he said?
Millie on Facebook.
Yeah, I ain't got. She wanna sip nobody though.
Oh, let's call what's her name? Let's call Bumblebee.
Go ahead.
What song you looking for?
Kicking it with you?
What's her name? Tawana.
Oh, just with you.
Says TW.
Oh, TW.
Just with you.
I don't see it. I don't see it up right with it.
Back at Y at it.
I see the lyrics only, but I don't see it. I don't see it with
I don't see nothing wrong. Oh, no. See, your ass been practicing. You been practicing.
There's some sense
With you lyrics might just be the lyrics only with no music though.
Damn,
That might not be on there.
Everybody in the bed.
Karaoke with that one.
I might call him. Say, what's his name? William.
Let's see. All right, hold on.
Might as well go back to
Might
karaoke.
as well.
It's just everything.
There it is.
Girl, won't you try some of me? No need no more.
Your ass been practicing. You just tell them and say, your ass been practicing.
Take a lot next.
We talking about practicing. We talking about fucking practice.
Right, that might be it right there. Is it right there? The new kissing the girl? Is it?
That nigga ain't even ass.
From Mr.
Let's try
Charlie.
to read.
Hey, Slappy.
With Deeds. D-I-G-G.
Slappy. We gonna get them good groceries from Mr. Charlie.
Yes, sir.
I'll be singing a whole bunch.
Hey, Mr. Charlie's good to us. Mr. Charlie's good to us.
We just gonna get a trunk full of groceries.
Whatever you say. You want to rub my head for good luck?
We get some.
Let me put 2 fingers on your head.
Singing my ass off.
He hung up on me. He hung up on me.
Did it?
Yeah.
He looks no more. Because we
We're
all
gonna try
got
it
the
again.
dog.
Let's give it a try.
I can't see. Which one is it?
Nobody want, we caught stick again.
We can't get the lyrics on
Put that Mr. Sexy Man on now. For Big Daddy over there. Put Mr. Sexy Man on now. Chris, he wants Mr. Sexy Man. Ron does.
Dawn said.
Mr. Sexy Man.
Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.